Welcome to the Xtrade Market Channel.
Good morning and thank you for joining us for Thursday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices firmed as weaker than expected jobs data fueled hopes of the US Federal Reserve cutting rates sooner than anticipated, while investors also awaited the upcoming non-farm payrolls report for further cues on monetary policy. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed up, lifted by gains in tech stocks and news of a trade agreement between the US and Vietnam that helped ease concerns about an extended trade war. Nasdaq rose, boosted by Nvidia, Apple and Tesla. All Unity, a joint stablecoin venture by asset manager DWS and banking giant Deutsche Bank, received a license from the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority. With the license, the company plans to issue a regulated euro-pegged stablecoin. Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.